So let's talk first of all about having a will and why should we have a will. As you know, in every state, there is a plan for your assets to pass if you leave no will. New Jersey has a relatively new, what they view as progressive, plan for that. And whereas most people who come to my office saying, I don't have a will, I don't really need one, everything's going to my wife, aren't exactly necessarily right. And why not? New Jersey says that if you are survived by a spouse, the preference is that that spouse, and throughout the course of this conversation I'm going to use also domestic partner and civil union partner. While New Jersey has, and the whole universe now has same-sex marriages, New Jersey still has some people who are covered by the old domestic partnership and civil union acts. So I will refer to them as spouses, but fill in the blanks, and I mean domestic partners, and I mean civil union partners. So the law is that the first preference is for the spouse. But if the spouse does not have children of the combined marriage, then the spouse only gets a percentage of the estate. So how does that work? If the decedent is survived by a spouse and children of a separate marriage, prior marriage, or relationship, or the spouse has children of a different relationship, then they do not automatically inherit everything, because the plan is, the expectation is, on the death of the first person, it's going to go to the surviving spouse, and then when she dies, she's going to likely leave it to her children, which may include people who are not children of the decedent. And in addition to the arrangement where you have children of different marriages, you also have an arrangement where if a decedent dies, leaving a spouse, no children, but parents or a parent, then those parents inherit substantially from the estate. So I have an estate now in the office, for example, where they were married for 12 years, no children. He has parents surviving, sudden death, no will. And to the spouse's shock and horror, her in-laws, who she hates more than life itself, are going to inherit part of her husband's probate estate.